If you love fresh, sweet corn, but don't like eating from the cob, the kernel cutter is for you. This unique tool makes removing kernels from the cob practically effortless. Start by using the husker blade to remove the husk from your fresh corn. First, place the corn on a cutting board. Run the blade from the base of the cob to the tip. Rotate and slice again. The blade will easily slice right through the husk. Next, use a knife to slice the end of the cob. You'll need a flat base for cutting the kernels. Now, hold the corn upright on the cutting board. Insert the serrated blade at the top of the cob and then simply run the kernel cutter down the side to strip the kernels from the cob. A wide serrated blade zips between the cob and kernels, removing 3 to 4 rows at a time, making it much quicker and safer than using a knife. The kernel cutter also works great on cooked corn, and the large ergonomic handle fits securely in the hand for a smooth, uniform cut. Other benefits include a clear plastic head, allowing the user to see the blade during use. The kernel cutter is dishwasher safe and carries a 1-year guarantee.